हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ट्यूटोरियल में नीति मैम तुम लोगों को पुराने न्यूज़पेपर से पेपर बैग्स बनाना सिखाएंगी। इन पेपर बैग्स को तुम कई तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हो और तुम लोगों को मालूम है कि पॉलीथीन बैग्स बैन हो गए हैं और इनको यूज़ करना अपने एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बहुत ही डेंजरस है। तो बच्चों, न्यूज़पेपर से पेपर बैग बनाना सीखो और इनको तरह तरह से इस्तेमाल करो।
Good morning children, I'm Neeti Mittal. Today I'm going to teach you a very nice thing and very useful with newspaper bag. This bag will be like this children. How to make, I'll teach you now in very simple way. Because now you know it is a quarantine, it is difficult to go out and sometimes you need a shopping bag. How to make shopping bag with the newspaper, today I'm going to teach you. Okay children, so for this first we will take one newspaper and how much big newspaper you will take, that much big bag you can make. If you want to make big bag, you can take full sheet of the newspaper, stick some white paper back side, and if you want a small bag, you take a newspaper, one A4 sheet of white paper you take and make it. So I will show you first big bag to you, how to do it. First we will take a newspaper big size and then we will stick one white paper, white chart paper or anything whatever you have, or you can double the newspaper. If you don't have a white paper, you double the newspaper. Just take both and you bring it together. Apply some Fevicol over this children in the straight line and stick this. Stick it children. Stick it from the center. Okay, press it both ends. In center you stick this. If you don't have a white paper children, you can double the newspaper. Okay, just stick it from the center children. Then what we will do, both sides we will take 1 inch and we will fold inside. Both sides equal. This will make the width of your bag. This width we have to make. How much big width we want, that much we give folding. Okay, so 1 inch I am taking, both sides equal. Then we will turn the paper and again we will fold it back side again. Same thing, we will open it and fold it back side children, and then we will open it and we will squeeze it inside this, and this will become a width of your shopping bag. See, we will squeeze it and this is the width of your shopping bag. In malls, in everywhere you go, they'll give the shopping bag with their own brand name they will give. And children, you can create your own brand also for this newspaper brand. You can make your own logo, show your own creativity. Now I have both sides, I have squeezed it inside and I have folded it. Now the portion, how to give the base. For this children, we take the center of the bag and just we will bring it down like this. Diagonal folding we'll do both sides. This is called house roof folding. Both and we will do house roof folding. Okay children, then we will bring it down. Give one belly fold. Squeeze this very nicely with your inverted thumb children. Then open it. Turn the paper. Again we will give one more house roof folding. Same. House roof folding I will give. Both sides same. Again I will bring it down and squeeze it with inverted thumb children. So this folding will be nice. Okay. Now we have to put these two and inside. Just open it. We have to fold inside. And see, once again I'll show you. We have given already house roof folding. Now open it and we have to fold on the house roof folding and both sides children. It will be like this. See children. It will be like this and we will paste it. But this is long, so we will take the scissor and little bit we will trim it. We will trim from the up. And we will, still I am feeling it is long, so little bit more I will trim from the up, and quickly we will apply the Fevicol here. We will apply the Fevicol here children, and just give a nice Fevicol here, not too much, not less, and just press it and take your hand inside and press this inside. So see children, press it inside. Now this your bag is stick. Okay, and upside we will make the punch. We'll make 2 holes. Children, both sides, we take both end together and we'll make some holes. And we will put some twines in this. Whatever the twines you are having at home, satin ribbon, anything, whatever you are having, you put it inside. Or if you don't have a twine, children, you can put the sutli. Okay, this easily available, or you can put the twine. So after putting the twine, both ends, your bags will be like this, shopping bag. Okay, and if you want to do decoration, you can make some flowers with the help of color paper, and you can stick on your shopping bag the color paper flowers. And take some green paper, cut this kind of leaves. And how to fold? Just fold it half and do pleat folding. Just pleat folding to the leaves. And these leaves, once again I'll show you. You can paste it here along with the flower. Okay. So quickly I'm pasting the leaves. So you can make more decorative, more innovative, whatever the way you can want. You can decorate your bag. Children, see children, both and I'm pasting the leaves. So like this, your bag is ready. I hope you have enjoyed this newspaper bag and it is very useful, children. I hope you will try. Thank you, children, watching me.
आई होप कि तुमने मैम से पेपर बैग बनाना सीख लिया होगा। अब इसको तुम लोग घर में बना के और इसको यूज़ भी किया करो। पॉलीथीन बैग्स मत यूज़ करना, ठीक है? तो मेरे चैनल को तुम लोग लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, फॉलो करो। थैंक यू।